Oswald. Leaky faucet. Oh, Weenie and I are best friends forever. Come wind or snow or flood, we always stick together. Oh, Weenie and I are best friends forever. Oh, Weenie and I. Hey, Weenie, what's making that noise? Let's go to the kitchen and find out. Hey, Weenie, let's go play the piano in the other room. Here we go. Going to play the piano in the other room. Dum 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 dum. Aha! Gotcha! I figured it out, Weenie. We have a leaky faucet. I'm going to need my wrench for this. Oh, Weenie, I can't find my wrench, but I've got to stop that dripping. Now, to find that wrench. Here it is! And just in time. There we go, Weenie. All fixed. Could you please put my wrench away? Now what's that noise, girl? It seems to be coming from under the sink. Whoa! Looks like we have another leak. Weenie, please get my wrench so I can fix it. Uh-oh. Quick, Weenie! I really need that wrench! Come on, Weenie! Just a little closer, girl! Almost there! Oh, no! Weenie and I have to stick together. Ah, there you are, girl. I'll catch up to you in no time.
Now where's my bubble bath? Now where's my shampoo?
Oh, Weenie! The water's moving so fast! I don't want to let go. Whoa! Hold on, Weenie! I'll catch you! I can paddle even faster with these. I'm almost there, girl! Oh, no! I'll have to go around.
Aloha, Oswald! Great, sir! Yippee!
Good day, Oswald. What's happening here?
I'm trying to catch Weenie.
Whoa! I'm getting dizzy.
Here, Weenie! Catch this!
Ahoy, Oswald.
Egbert, follow that boat! I've got to catch Weenie.
Righty-o, Oswald. I'll keep a lookout starboard.
Yes, yes, stunning idea, brother. And I'll look portside.
No!
Oh, it's no use. We'll never catch up to that boat. There goes my best friend. She zoomed away. If we're not together, it's not a happy day. Weenie! There you are! Are you okay? Then come on, girl. We have to fix that faucet and stop this flood. There we are, Weenie. Now, weren't we playing the piano? we're best friends forever. Who took a watery ride. But we got back together. And now we're nice and right. Katrina's birthday cake.
Thank you for coming. We're going to make a wonderful birthday party for Katrina.
Okay, me.
That's right, Katrina. Just for you. Here are some things we need. Noisemakers, party hats, ice cream, chips and dip, and of course, a birthday cake.
I'll make some noisemakers, but they won't be too noisy.
I'll make the party hats.
You can count on me for ice cream.
I'll bring the chips.
And I'll bring the dip.
And I'll make the cake.
Oh!
That's a big responsibility, buddy.
Yeah, the cake's the tip-top part of the party.
That's super, Oswald. A small simple cake will be just perfect.
What's that? You want pink frosting with a strawberry on top?
Yep.
It'll be the best, most beautiful birthday cake ever!
Thank you so much, Oswald. See you this afternoon.
Bye, everybody. I'll come by soon to give you all your hats.
You can pick up your noisemakers at the party.
Katrina would like that twice as much, Weenie. Oh, that one's 3 times as nice. Big, beautiful birthday cake. How hard can that be to make? A big, beautiful birthday cake. That's just what Winnie and I will bake. Hey, this is it, Weenie. Oh, but this is even better. I hope we've got enough of everything to make such a big cake. Okay, girl. We need some eggs. And butter. Now, some flour. Well, that's not enough for the best, most beautiful birthday cake ever. Perfect. Now, we mix everything together. Gee, that's not nearly big enough, girl. Good idea, girl. There's plenty of room in there. this won't work. What can we mix it all with?
Hey, Oswald! Here are your razzling, dazzling party hats.
These hats are swell, Daisy. Say, may I borrow your unicycle?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
See you at the party.
So much racket for one little cake. Oswald, keep it down. I can't hear my noisemakers.
Sorry, Henry. I'm making Katrina the best, most beautiful birthday cake ever. Okay, Weenie, we're ready for the baking pans. Yum, yum. Okay, girl. Half an hour to bake, then decorate. Wow! Whoa! Now, we put the cake together. Pink frosting. Good. With a strawberry on top. Come on, girl. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Whoops. Whew. Close one.
Almost. Let's try it again.
Where's Oswald with that best, most beautiful birthday cake I've been hearing about?
I think the party's this way.
Yes, yes, this way.
Whoa! Big, beautiful birthday cake at the bottom of the lake. Big, beautiful birthday cake. Just too big a cake to make. Well, I guess we better go and break the bad news.
There you are, Oswald.
What's with the sad faces?
Yeah, and where's the cake?
Well,
Greetings, everyone. Oops.
Yes, yes, oops.
What a magnificent little cake.
Just the right size for Katrina.
It's the best, most beautiful birthday cake ever, Oswald.
Well done, pal.
happy birthday, Katrina.
Happy birthday, Katrina!
Thank you.